video we'll discuss about the respiratory system कि कितने zones होते हैं और कितने type का respiration होता है, ठीक है. So there are two respiratory zones कह सकते हैं, ठीक है, conducting zone and respiratory zone. Conducting zone that means जो कि help कर रहा है आपके ऑक्सीजन और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को कंडक्ट करने में, that means move on करने में from the nose or nostrils. So the pathway which is follows is from nose, mouth, pharynx, larynx, trachea to lungs. That is conducting zone. सिर्फ conduct हो रही है ऑक्सीजन और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. That means oxygen is going in the lungs and carbon dioxide is moving out of the lungs through the nose or nostrils. Respiratory zone जो कि help कर रही है actual respiration में, that means gaseous exchange करने में. Okay? So the pathway which it follows is from lungs to bronchi, bronchi to bronchioles, bronchiole to alveolar, and this alveoli, from this alveo, from alveoli से blood और tissues और cells के बीच में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और ऑक्सीजन हमारी ट्रांसपोर्ट होती है. Now there are two types of respiration, external respiration और internal respiration. External और internal usually 2 marks में पूछ लिया जाता है. What do you define external और internal respiration? So external respiration that means कि जो कि बाहर हो रही है, ये कह सकते हैं. So the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, ठीक, का exchange हो रहा है किसके बीच में? Blood और lungs के बीच में. That is called external respiration. And internally, when we go more deep inside the body, that means when there is exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the blood and cells or tissues. That is called internal respiration. Okay? So that means there is exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen between the tissues and lungs only through the blood as a connective